Yo, 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 So guys, today we'll be playing Asphalt8. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
It's a game by Game Loft.
Oh yeah. It takes a lot of room. 1 gigabyte and something.
It's a good game.
It's a good game, yeah.
It's fun.
It's free because it's the app of the week. Oh wait, it's not free anymore. How do you play?
Could still be, but let's do some multiplayer.
Yeah. Come on. Okay, I want Monaco. Oh, please not Barcelona. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be Barcelona. Oh, Venice? Venice? Is that how you
Yeah,
pronounce
Venice.
Let's say you have a Dodge car.
What the? It's part of the game?
No, you have to wait for the other person. I wish you could communicate. What?
Oh, it's slippy, man.
Okay, here I go, guys.
Okay, if you hold the steering wheel straight for a few seconds, it will pull you out of the cliff.
What does that mean? Barcelona. Let's do this, guys. Go!
Nothing to other parts of too much. Well, it sounds like this thing.
Oh, I got knocked down.
Shoot.
I'm getting my car damaged.
At least we're in third place.
Yeah. Dirt skills.
Second place.
Yeah. Oh, what? Yeah. I'm right behind you, dirt skill. So much lag. Oh my god. Double turn. What's up, dirt skill? Oh well. Where's that dirt skill? Boy. Oh what?
Oh god. Oh, look, that's 7th place.
Oh my gosh, he's still right here? Am I going the right way?
Yeah, I think so. I hope so.
I hope so. I just knocked down dirt skill.
It was so close. No, please. It's not really entertaining at first place.
I know, like there's no one to crash into.
Yeah, only people can only crash into you.
I know, but you can only crash into objects, dude.
Oh, people are so far away from you.
Oh my gosh. Do you think the guy left dirt skill?
Yeah, I think he did. Because there's one less player.
Yeah, and it said someone left. skills. Wow, Kev. How pro driver does it.
Use your skills. Use your skills.
Oh yeah. What I really like about first place is that you can spectate. I don't know why. I just like spectating people. Oh my gosh. Yeah! First place! What? Spectator. Who's this second place?
Hey, this is online, right?
Yeah. Wait. I want to see this third place. Never mind. Wow, Kev. Wow. You're saying your own name.
It's your nickname.
No, that's your nickname. Well, your nickname is Kev, but you're really, you know.
Oh, that's it.
Hey,
Exit.
I'm switch names.
No.
How about I be Bushta?
Next. What's next?
You know Bushta's a girl name?
Oh, that's
Oh, what?
okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video.
Yeah.
We'll post another one soon.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks for watching. And,
See you later.
I guess.
Alligator.